Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. You will learn how to use the revolve features. To create a solid around an axis, open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part. Here will be the midpoint. We have all the dimensions here, and the distance between this line here, and the distance between this point and this point here is 50 millimeters. Open your Fusion and let's go. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane. Select a line, make a line here. 50 millimeters here, create this sketch. We'll put all the dimensions later. Now go to dimensions or press letter D in the keyboard. The distance here, 8 millimeters. The angle here, 60 degrees. And the distance between this two line here. Let me make this a vertical line here. Select constraints, horizontal, vertical. I selected this one, okay. Go to dimension again, the distance here. 15 millimeters, okay. We made this, finish the sketch. Now we need to revolve this. We revolve this, the angle here is 270 degrees. Go to revolve features, the profile. Select this profile and the axis, select this line here. And the angle 270 degrees. The revolve features revolves a sketch profile around a selected axis. The operation here, new body press, okay. We made this now. Press letter A in the keyboard. And here, click here and show the material. Select the paint glossy, and here select the face. Select this face here. Hold Control in the keyboard and select this one. The color here, yellow. Select this face here and this face here. The color here, black. And select this two face here. Select red here. We made this here. We finish our exercise, thanks for watching. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. Subscribe my channel, see you in the next videos. Bye bye.